Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a messy fringe hairstyle with straight hair. So at the moment, I haven't done anything to my hair, but this will be a video tutorial with a step-by-step guidance to make sure that you can get yourself the messy fringe hairstyle look, even if you have straight hair like myself. So first things first, the first thing that you need is a metal hairband. This too is optional, but it's something that I always like to use when it comes to my hair tutorials. The second tool that we need is a water bottle that you can spray with. So obviously this is also optional, you can also just damp your hair, but I just prefer to use a water bottle that can just spray on my hair, because this way my hair doesn't get too wet, but at the same time it does get moisturized. And for this tutorial to work for those individuals that have straight hair, you need a sea salt spray. So the one that I use is this one called Organic Potion. It has jojoba oil in it, aloe vera gel, that sea salt combined with an amazing coconut scent, and it's made in the UK and 100% organic, and that's amazing. Followed up is this beautiful hairbrush from Denman. Obviously you can find any ordinary hairbrush if you don't have a hairbrush like this one, but if you are interested, this is the D5 hairbrush from Denman Brush. And finally we'll need a blow dryer, and this is one from Paris Hilton, and it's absolutely destroyed in terms of how long we've had this one for. But it doesn't really matter, just have any sort of blow dryer, and preferably one with a diffuser, because it will make sense what we're gonna do in a bit. So first things first, let me moisturize my hair a little bit with just ordinary water. There we go. Let me comb it all the way to the back. There we go. And now I'm going to use the sea salt spray. So when it comes to the sea salt spray, we're not going to apply around this sector, but we will apply it to the sector anywhere behind the metal hairband. So let me do that. It smells super nice, and after applying the sea salt spray, I like to just wait. You can also use a blow dryer, but in my personal experience, it just looks a bit nicer if you just wait. So let's just wait and let me have a cup of tea, and after a couple of minutes, we'll continue. Alright, so it has been a couple of minutes now, and you can start to see that when it comes to the hair on the back of my head, that this area is starting to get a bit more messy and gets that fringy texture. And thus, now it's time to remove the metal hairband. And you can instantly see that this area has so much more volume and texture relative to this area, and that's what's required if you want to create this messy fringe hairstyle. Because what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna comb the hair all the way to the front. Already applied the sea salt spray around this area of the hair, and now it's time to apply around this area. Now it's time to use the diffuser with the blow dryer to really create that messy fringe hairstyle. By the way, whilst using the blow dryer, make sure you also use your fingers to make it even more messier. And you can already see that even with straight hair, we've already created this very messy fringy hairstyle. And now it's time for us to use our fingers and style it into our desired hairstyle. Alright. And obviously when it comes to the messy fringe hairstyle, there's a lot of different types of hairstyles you can have. You can even add more texture to it, have different layers, as in even style this part of your hair, or even have it all the way to the back. Do some other sort of hairstyles. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you want me to make more hairstyle tutorials like this, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know what hairstyle you want me to do next. And that's pretty much the end of this video. So if you're someone that's looking for the best sea salt spray out there on the market, I will have it linked down below if you're someone that wants to check it out for yourself. And that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.